What's the buzz in the wedding world? What are the latest trends that are shaping our celebrations of love and commitment? Well, sit back and relax, as today we delve into the top 5 wedding trends of the current season. First up is a shift in photography styles. Gone are the days of overly posed and artificial-looking photos. The trend now leans towards candid, natural-looking images, capturing the couple in their most genuine moments. It's all about documenting the raw, unfiltered emotions of the big day. This trend extends beyond the wedding day to pre- and post-wedding shoots. Expect to see more couples opting for relaxed, intimate shoots that truly reflect their relationship. Next, let's talk bridal wear. The trend this season is all about supporting homegrown brands. More brides are choosing to wear creations by local designers, straying away from the usual international luxury brands. This not only supports local talent, but also adds a unique, personal touch to the bridal outfit. In terms of color, earthy tones are reigning supreme. Brides are swapping traditional red and gold for more subdued, earthy hues, creating a look that's both modern and timeless. Third on our list is the return of destination weddings. After a brief hiatus due to travel restrictions, couples are once again choosing to tie the knot in dreamy, far-flung locations. Whether it's a beach wedding in the Maldives or a vineyard wedding in Italy, destination weddings are back and bigger than ever. In terms of decor, vivid colors are making a bold comeback. Weddings are being infused with a rainbow of colors, from vibrant table settings to colorful floral arrangements. This trend is a departure from the past few years, where minimalist, monochrome decor was the norm. Lastly, when it comes to flower decorations, bigger is definitely better. Expect to see large, dramatic floral installations taking center stage at weddings. These installations not only create a stunning visual impact, but also add a touch of whimsy and romance to the event. So to sum up, the key trends shaping weddings this season are candid photography, homegrown bridal wear in earthy tones, the return of destination weddings, vivid decor colors, and large flower decorations. Each of these trends reflect a shift towards authenticity, personality, and a celebration of individual style. So, whether you're planning a wedding, attending one, or simply love keeping up with the latest trends, there's plenty to look forward to in the world of weddings.